Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're just gonna jump straight into it because I don't have time. So today I'm just gonna fit in some rails. This is the Mulig rail from Ikea. So I'll show you guys how this side looks, like the bottom of this side. But ultimately the rails, I'm gonna put one rail here and one rail at the bottom. So I've got two of these. The screws aren't actually included, so I got screws from B&Q, but I'll show you guys everything. So that's just how the bottom looks. It's just got bits and bobs on it. I'm just gonna move it. This actually is gonna go beside my mirror, and I'll show you where it's gonna go afterwards. Perfect. I will leave everything in the description box if I can. Some screws, I don't think I'll be able to because obviously it's DIY. You can go to your hardware store and purchase that for yourself and ask them what it is that you're looking for and they'll give it to you. This one can go up to 90 centimeters. However, I'm only gonna need 60 centimeters of it. So does it go up like that? Is it this way? I think it's this way, yeah. So it's gonna go up like this. I don't know how high I want it. I don't know if I want it this high. I also got a sanding sponge. This is from B&Q, and I also got some nails and whatnot. Got the toolbox. You're gonna need a level, a spirit level, and this tool, something to just kind of put glue on. I'm also going to use glue. So this is called No More Nails by Unibond. I'm not gonna lie, I was looking for glue, yeah, and then I saw this. I was like, raw. Can you see this picture? Can you see? Hopefully it focuses because this is the camera that doesn't really like to focus. But basically, it's like a weight on top of a shelf, and then they even did a description at the back of like the glue. Gluing the shelf onto the wall and then the weight on top. When I saw that, I said, of course I'm gonna buy this. What do you mean? Like, what? It better be this strong, you know, honestly, because don't be saying you're this strong and you're moving mad. But yeah, I'm gonna use this glue. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just gonna go to voiceover mode. Anybody got time, just watch me as I go. So guys, I must admit something. This is probably the hardest DIY I've done in my room. Like, can you see the stress? The stress became so bad. I probably was on the brink of tears towards the end of this video. Like, it gets worse than what you're seeing now. So what you're seeing now is me trying to balance this hanger by myself. It seems possible because, oh, it's small, it's only 60 centimeters long. No, it was very hard to do alone, and I would suggest having someone else with you when you're doing this because it really was hard. So I just got a screw, and I just wanted to make sure that the screw was long enough to go inside the holes that was provided, and yeah, it just kind of went downhill from here. This is hard. You actually need 2 people for this. Oh, this ain't working. So I then proceeded to try and put a plastic anchor inside the walls, and this happened. Right guys, so change of plan. I've just made a massive hole in the wall, as you can see. Perfect. So I'm not gonna actually drill any I'm not actually gonna drill anything into the wall because it's taken time, and I just don't have the professionalism specification certificate to do such. So I'm gonna glue it and I don't know, I'm gonna use this. I just really hope it works because yeah, I just hope it works. I don't really have a backup. I mean, okay, I'm gonna glue it and then I'm gonna like drill it in with these without using those anchors, because those anchors just literally, can you see this hole? And it's actually quite massive. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna sand it down, sand the back down, and then just gonna, yeah, hope for the best. So I'm just sitting down. I'm just gonna quickly sand the back so that when the glue goes on, it's not on like anything that could cause it not to stick firmly onto the wall. Can't believe I'm using glue. So I'm just gonna sand like the paint down just where I would put the glue. So I'm probably gonna put the glue all here. Ooh. So I've sanded it all down, and it's really rough, so it would be a great material for the glue to really stick on well because of the adhesiveness. I don't know if that's the right word, but guys, can you see my face? I was legit over it. And in case you don't really understand what's going on, I know I showed the glue initially towards the beginning, but the glue was supposed to be just a supporting act with the screws. So the screws were supposed to be the main thing that was holding the hanger, the shelf. What is this? A hanger, a wall hanger on. But unfortunately, because the anchors, everything just was not working out, I had to just use glue. And this glue, you guys can see, I didn't put that much. It looked like I didn't put that much, but when I say I lathered it with glue. And as you can see, I was just trying to really hold it still and hold it on. I think the glue said that you had to hold it on for about 30 minutes, but I held it on for at least 10 minutes and nothing was gluing. And literally, you know how I'm just standing there staring? I stare for at least 5 minutes just looking at the wall, like, what am I gonna do? There's a hole in the wall, the glue isn't sticking. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna try this again. So I'm literally holding the shelf with my life, but sorry, I keep saying shelf, the wall hanger with my life, but it just did not want to stay on. So I got seriously stressed. Like, I was just on the brink. This is feeling very impossible. Nothing is impossible. Come on. So I eventually got it to just about stay on. What I did was I put the wall hanger onto the wall and literally balanced it with my head. I'm not playing, guys. I balanced it with my head and my hand. So the top bit was just chilling on my head, and I was like, okay, maybe if I just try and stick it onto the wall and get the screws and just try and like hammer the screws into the holes, maybe it will work without me trying to hold it for ages. So I did that, and guys, throughout this time, I promise you, I don't even think I was breathing. Like, I don't think I was even breathing. I was literally just so focused on trying to make it balance. I didn't want to give up because I knew it was possible. This is such a life lesson. Like, it was actually a life lesson. Like, it's actually deep. I'm so hot. But it's just about on. The rail is just about making it, just about to put in one more screw and then clean up. So I'm just going to take a wipe to clean up like around the area because some glue got like around. So apparently I didn't need, what is it, anchors or those plastic plugs, because I had such a bad experience with the bathroom, the powder room. If you haven't seen that, make sure the card will go up now. Take a look. And in that video I was talking about how bad the walls are because they're plaster walls, and you needed those plastic things to make sure they kind of got in. But I kind of figured it out. I kind of just put glue on it and just kind of pushed the pins, what are these screws in? I don't even know if it's straight. I pray it's straight. God, please. Oh my gosh, it's straight. Oh my god, it's bang in the middle straight. Oh, can you see that? Oh, so guys, so I'm able to kind of measure the distance of where I want the second one to go. I'm just gonna hang a t-shirt and see where it stops. Just gonna hang this basic black and white t-shirt, and I just want to see where it stops. So it stops about here. That means I'm gonna put the next one possibly just a little under here. Let me just mark that quick. Maybe about here. You just have to do what you have to do. Like, it's different. I'm trying to embrace difference, if I'm honest. Just trying to, you know, try something different, you know, do something new, but still kind of find a solution for small spaces. And this is absolutely a solution that you guys can do. So yeah, you better swing, honey, swing. Hey guys, so I'm finally done. My hands are sore, my head hurts, but it's done, and I'm really happy with the turnout. I'm just gonna hang all my clothes. I love that. I'm just gonna hang all my clothes on both racks and just see how it looks aesthetically. Some of you guys are gonna be worried, like, oh, it's behind the door, there's gonna be some issues when you open the door. No, there isn't. Let me just show you. You might see my mom. Hi mom. But look, there isn't any issues. So far so great. I'm just gonna put all my clothes on now. So guys, I finished hanging most of my clothes up and it's holding on pretty well. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys some close-ups before this camera dies because it's flashing. But I really hope you enjoy my channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.